A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth passes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow upon the lunar surface. This alignment can only happen during a full moon, causing the moon to appear dimmed, or during a total eclipse, a reddish blood moon color due to Earth's atmosphere scattering sunlight. Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon, casting two types of the shadows, the dark inner umbra and the lighter outer penumbra. Lunar eclipses do not happen every month because the moon's orbit is tilted, meaning it usually passes above or below Earth's shadow.